Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the world of Slack, specifically how to configure Slack's read-only channels. This is an essential skill for any team lead, allowing you to control the flow of information and discussions in your workspace. To kick things off, we start by creating a new channel. On your Slack sidebar, click on the plus button next to Channels. Fill in the details and click Create. The reason we do this is to ensure that this read-only channel is unique and serve a specific purpose. Now that we've done that, head over to the channel settings. Click on the channel name at the top, then navigate to More and select Settings. This helps us because it's where we can customize the accessibility and permissions of this channel. Next up, we'll change the channel to read-only. Under Settings, find the Permissions section. Click on Send Messages and select Admins and Owners. This ensures that only admins and owners can post messages, making it a read-only channel. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're limiting the ability to contribute information to a select few, thereby controlling the information flow. Finally, save your changes by clicking Save. Always remember this step, as it's easy to make changes and forget to save them. So that's how you configure Slack's read-only channels. Quick, simple, but incredibly effective for managing your team's communications. You now have a channel where important announcements can be posted without the risk of being drowned out by other conversations. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the key here is to control, not restrict. Act as a guide, not a gatekeeper. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.